Today, we're diving into something super important for your online safety. We're talking about encryption, what it is, how it works, why it matters, and how it keeps your private stuff private. So what is encryption? Let's start with the basics. Encryption is like turning your message into a secret code. It scrambles your data so that no one, not hackers, not companies, not even governments, can read it unless they have the right key to unlock it. So when you send a message, type your password, or make a payment online, encryption is working behind the scenes to protect you. How does encryption work? Okay, now let's say you want to send your friend a message. I love pizza. If you send it normally over the internet, anyone snooping on the network could read it. But if you encrypt it, that message turns into something like this. Just total nonsense. Only your friend, who has the right decryption key, can unlock that nonsense and turn it back into, I love pizza. You heard the key? Right. So what is that key? The key is basically a special code that tells the computer how to scramble and unscramble the message. Think of it like a password, but one that's used by your phone or computer behind the scenes. Without the right key, the encrypted message stays locked. Even if a hacker grabs the message, they can't read it. There are two main types of encryption, symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption is the oldest and fastest kind. It uses one key to both lock and unlock the message. Think of it like a locked diary. You lock it with a key, and your friend needs that same key to open it. It's fast, but there's one problem. How do you send the key to your friend securely without someone else stealing it? That's where type 2 comes in. Asymmetric encryption. This one uses two keys, a public key that anyone can have, and a private key that only you keep safe. Think of it like a mailbox. Anyone can drop a letter into your mailbox using your public key, but only you have the key to open it. Your private key. This is how websites, emails, even cryptocurrency wallets protect data. It's slower than symmetric, but super secure for communication. And here's something cool. Modern encryption often combines both types to get the best of speed and security. Now, let's talk real world. You use encryption every day, even if you don't realize it. When you send a message on WhatsApp, it's encrypted end to end. Only you and the person you're messaging can read it. When you shop online and see HTTPS in the address bar, that means the site is using encryption to protect your credit card info. When you use a VPN, it encrypts all your internet traffic, so no one can spy on what you're doing online. Even your phone and laptop use encryption to protect your files if someone steals the device. So encryption is everywhere around us today. Let me give you a few more quick examples who using encryption. Password managers like LastPass or Bitwarden. Cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. Wi-Fi security at home, blockchain and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Even in gaming, to prevent cheating or protect accounts. Honestly, without encryption, the internet would be a very scary place. Bonus tip for you. So always look for HTTPS in your browser when entering personal info online. The S means it's secure. The website is using encryption. No S? Don't trust it with your data. So now you know exactly what encryption is, how it works, and why it's super important for your privacy and safety online. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech explainers. See you in the next one, and stay encrypted.